good, my YouTube family? What's going on? What's popping? What's crack-a-lacking? It's your boy blakdoutkickz coming to you with another banger. Yes, we got some heat. This part 2. If y'all know what it was before, but we gonna put something in the beginning that I want y'all to see my reaction to this. Hold on, to this Threadbeast, right? Not a promo, none of that stuff. I do have a promo link to this in the bottom, but I want y'all to get my natural reaction of this just opening this, right? So I've been getting these for a while. I just like the versatile stuff they send you. You can go on the website and pick and choose. I don't know if I get a chance, I'll put it over here. Pick and choose what you want and what you would like them to send you. It's summertime, so I'm gonna change mine to shorts and different stuff like that. I already get the tank top, the t-shirts and little stuff like that, some jogging pants, different stuff like that. So if you interested in it, you don't gotta go to it, you ain't gotta do it, but if you're interested in it, hey, go to Threadbeast, holla at them. I'll leave a link code in the bottom that'll set you up to go straight from this page into it. I think the lowest one you can get is $90. That's the one I subscribe to, and it's $90 a month. It's not a bad deal. Hey, it's up to you. Hey, and that's all I'm saying on that. Hey, but I want y'all to get my natural reaction to this, because some boxes be great, some boxes be horrible, but I want y'all to get my natural reaction. And let's go. We got the trusty knife in the building. Let's go. They recently just changed the boxes from black to blue, so I don't know. And you can tell when different stuff is in it depending on how the box is. So this might have a jacket or something different in it, man. I don't know. I have no clue. But let's get this boy open. All right. Okay. All right. So first off, we got a nice little hat. And on my thing, I do say I mess with hats. Reason Brand Company. Hey, shout out to the Scorpio on there. The Scorpio on the artwork, if y'all can see that. If y'all can see it. I don't know if I'm holding that right. Y'all can see that. Scorpio on the artwork. This is a dope little hat. Something I can wear right now. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. I love hats. As y'all can see, I keep one on. I keep it going. And yeah. So that's a dope little hat. Let's get to the next one. We got a shirt. Oh, we got a pink boy. Oh man. Oh, this is nice. What's this? Who made this? This is nice. Got the symbol there on it. Then you got on the back side, you got something on the back. This is nice. This is something I rock with my Reeboks. Them Ivos with the pink toe. Yeah, them Ivos with the pink toe. Next we got a staple shirt. If y'all watched my last video, I had a staple shirt on there that was through here too. It's different, it's neat. I don't know how to feel. It's a t-shirt, right? It's a t-shirt. Now, what I will say with these street brands, a 3X needs to fit somebody that's that in between the 2X and 3X, right? A 3X shouldn't be oh so big where it look like it's a 4X. So we got to get better with sizing in the big people clothes and the big men clothes, because I'm a big dude and I get a 2X, and some 2Xs be feeling like a extra, like a XL. So we need to get our sizing right. I know it's different builds, body types and all that stuff, but I'm in the street wear. I wear it a lot when I'm not at work, and as you can see, staple, that's a 3X. The 3X shouldn't be this huge though. So we got to get better with that. Yeah, we got to get better with that. Here goes some more. Some jogging pants. These nice as hell. These look like Nike Tech fleece. These nice as hell. Actually, these are pink dolphin fleece joggers. If I get a chance, I might try something on, but I doubt it. But yeah, these nice. Like I said, got the little zipper on the side, the little zipper right there. These is nice. All right, moving on. And like I said, you can tell by the box if it's gonna be a jacket or something in there or something. I've been getting a lot of them lately. I'm getting a lot of them with jackets in them, and ooh, tell me this boy ain't nice right here. I might throw this on today. I ain't even going nowhere. Diamond Supply. Cold. This is cold. This is a nice little jacket though. I ain't gonna hold you up. You got the Diamond Supply Company on the patch right there. This is a nice little coat. Not too thick, not too thin. This is a nice little jacket here. I'm not mad at you. I'm not mad at you, Diamond Supply. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I ain't want to waste too much of y'all time. I did want to get into that box with y'all because it just landed. The pack did just landed. Let's get into why y'all came to watch this video for real, on the real. Let's get into these shoes, part 2 of the denim jackets. This is the green pair. Y'all be the judge. At the end of me showing all 3, my third one, the part 3, I'm gonna do a poll and I want y'all to vote. Y'all tell me which one's the coldest. Like I said, these are all unreleased. They are coming from overseas, so y'all know, keep it real with me, keep it 100 with me if y'all want to see the part 3. If not, you know what I'm saying, it is what it is. So like I said before, I know y'all want to see it. This is what y'all came to see, so let's get into it. Yo, this is the Varsity jacket, white pine green cell. Like I said before, it's just like the last, if y'all watched the last video or the video before, whatever. I don't know how in order I'm gonna drop these, but if y'all watched the last one, y'all will see how the last one looked. And hey, we're gonna get into it, we're gonna make it happen, and let's get it cracking. Bam, 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 bam. Y'all see it, y'all see it, y'all see it. Low key, them red ones, the white and red ones, I gotta legit check them, because I don't know. The way the toe box is on them, looking a little strange. Just looking a tad bit strange. But let's get into these. We ain't gonna keep talking about them red ones. We're gonna get into these green ones. Y'all know. Drop the box and keep it moving. Hey, bam. What y'all think about these boys? What do you think about these boys? Hey man, like I said the last time, you got the Varsity logo, the Varsity jacket logo, or the patch right there on it. If y'all can see that, if I did that right. Move that StockX tag. So let's just grab the other one. Y'all can see that in the middle here. Once again, you have the same fabric you will find on the Varsity jacket. That's cold. That's cold. Same fabric, man. Same fabric. You got that off-white or whatever you want to call it on the bottom. That age look green on the bottom of that boy. Tongue is straight green, and you got this supple leather around here, around the thing. The toe box do just remind me of some regular all-white Air Force Ones leather, but like I said before, this is soft and subtle with that off-white vibe. Shoestrings, that vintage look. You can't go wrong with it. Hey, let me know what y'all think of these. These boys are nice. We're gonna keep them in the collection. I might change the laces out for a deeper tone of a age look, and we'll go from there. If I find some green ones, I might throw the green ones in there, but we'll go from there. Let me know what y'all feeling about these. Hey, let me know how y'all liking these boys. Like I said before, this is a 12. We all know how Air Force Ones run. Kind of on the big side, but if you like them snug, go true to size. If you go true to size, if you wear a thicker sock, the creasing to stay down. Remember that. Hey, once again, it's your boy blakdoutkickz coming to you again with another dope video and another dope shoe. Hey, do me a favor, stay blessed, be blessed, and always find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we out.